Ready to make your Telegram conversations seriously private? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to start a secret chat, Telegram's most secure way to message. By the end, you'll know how to set one up with any of your contacts, understand why secret chats are so powerful, and be ready to use them whenever security matters most. Let's jump right in. First up, to start a secret chat, you'll need to initiate the conversation with someone who's already in your Telegram contacts. Secret chats are designed to be one-on-one, so unlike regular chats or Telegram groups, you can't just invite anyone off the internet. Make sure you've already messaged or added the person you want to start a secret chat with. If not, quickly find their username or phone number and add them first. This keeps the process streamlined and secure. Once you're in the main Telegram chat screen, look up at the top left corner. You'll see what's called the hamburger menu. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap that icon. If you're on desktop or tablet, it may be in a slightly different spot, but it's usually up top. This menu gives you access to all your settings and contacts and is kind of like the control center for Telegram. Next, you'll see your list of contacts. Scroll through and select the person you want to start a secret chat with. If you have a lot of chats, use the search bar at the top to quickly type in their name. Selecting the right contact is important because secret chats are device-specific, so double-check you're choosing the right one, especially if the person uses multiple phones or devices. Now here, where it gets specific. Tap the name of your contact at the top of the chat window. This opens up their profile, showing details like their last seen status and profile photo. Right in this window, look for the icon with 3 vertical dots. It's usually in the corner. That's your gateway to additional chat options. Tap the 3 dots and you'll see a menu pop up. Among the options, you'll find Start Secret Chat. Go ahead and select it. At this point, Telegram may prompt you with some information about secret chats. The reason this is an extra step: secret chats offer end-to-end encryption. That means only you and the chosen contact can read the messages, not Telegram, not hackers, nobody else. Think of it as sealing your message in a virtual envelope that's only opened by your trusted recipient. On top of that, secret chats are stored only on the devices you started them on. If you switch phones or computers, you'll need to start a new secret chat, which adds a layer of security. And there's one more cool feature: optional self-destruct timers. If you want your messages to disappear after a minute or an hour, you can set that up within the secret chat settings. It's a little bit like Mission Impossible. Once read, messages can vanish, leaving no trace. Take a moment to confirm you're starting the secret chat with the right person, then continue. Once you're in, you can chat just like normal, but now with the peace of mind that your conversation is truly private. Don't worry if you don't see old messages. Secret chats are fresh and they won't carry over any history. And there you've got it, you're now messaging securely on Telegram, and you understand not just the how, but the why. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into trouble, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.